Welcome to our complete Python programming course. If you have never done coding before, do not worry. This course starts from absolute zero. By the end of this series, you will understand Python step by step. Before learning Python, we need to understand one important question. What is programming? Programming means giving instruction to a computer. Think about your smartphone. When you open YouTube, Instagram, or WhatsApp, every button works because someone wrote a program. A computer cannot think like humans. It only follow instruction. But there is one problem. Humans speak language like English and Hindi. Computer understand only machine language, which is made of zero and one. So, how does the computer understand our Python code? The answer is a translator. A translator converts Python code into machine language. There are two types of translator. The first one is a compiler, the second one is an interpreter. Python mainly uses an interpreter. That means Python read the code line by line and execute it immediately. This is one of the reasons why Python is beginner friendly. Now let's understand one of the most important question. What is Python? Python is a high level programming language. But what does high level language means? A high level language is a language that is easy and human to read, write and understand. For example, look at the Python code. Uh, I am create a first file is first.py. First.py interface. First code is print hello world. Even if you have never learned programming before, you can guess what this code does. It is simply print and hello world on the screen. Yes. This is why Python is considered one of the most easiest programming language. Why was Python created? Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. He wanted to create a programming language that was simple, clean, and easy to understand. Today, Python is used by millions of developers around the world. Why should you learn Python? There are many reasons. Easy to learn. Python has very simple syntax. You do not need to write a long to complicated code. This makes it perfect for beginner. Python is completely free. Anyone can download it and use it. You do not have to pay any money. Since it is open source, developers around the world improve to continuously. Python program can run on Windows, Linux and Macs. You do not need to rewrite your code for different operating systems. Where is Python used? Python is almost everywhere. It is used in web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, cybersecurity, web development, software development. This is why Python is one of the most in-demand programming language today. Who use Python? Many famous companies are Python such as Google, YouTube, Instagram, Netflix or Spotify. NASA. These companies use Python because it is powerful, reliable and easy to maintain. Now it is time to write our very first program. This is an exciting moment because today you will write your first line to get. Let us start. What is programmer? A programmer is a collection of instructions that tell a computer what to do. For example, if you tell your friend open the door, switch on the light, sit on the chair, these are instructions. Similarly, a computer can Also follow instruction. Whose instruction are called a programmer. Our first program, the first program, almost every programmer writes is called hello world. The code is already written. Me print the hello world. This is only one line of code, but there are many things to understand it. Understanding print. What means print? Print means function use a display output on the screen. Whenever we want to show something to the user, we use print. Next code is print welcome. Output is welcome. Another example is print Python is easy. Easy. Output is Python is easy. Why do we use quotation mark? Look carefully. The text is written inside double quote. This is double quote. The quotes will tell Python the text also called is a string. Double double quote is used in string only for Python will give an the quotes tell Python that this is text also called a string without quote. Without quote print hello world. Python is Python will give an error because it thinks hello world and variable names. Always remember text inside code, number no quotes. And number is this is wrong. This is wrong. Control plus slash. Next is print 100. Output is 100. Yes. Python can print text. Next is print good morning. Print it can print number. Number is 50. It can also print decimal number. Print 25.5. And even boolean value print true. Also remember this boolean value is started a first letter is capital, then a small right the output is wrong. Print false. Everything display on the screen uses the print function. Printing multiple lines, you can write multiple print statement. print good morning, print 15, print 25, print true, print false. Output is all these correct. Common mistake beginner make mistake forgetting codes. Print hello. This gives an error. Yeah, correct is print hello. Mistake wrong spelling. Write a code print hello world. This is error. Means print. This is error. Print means print starting for a small letter, not a capital letter. Python is case sensitive. Print. This is print incorrect. This is pin incorrect. This is pin print correct. Practice example. My name is Nitin. Print I am learning Python. Print welcome to coding. That's it. Now before writing more program, we need to understand an important concept called Python character set. What is character set? A character set is collection of all the character that Python can understand and use. Whenever we write Python code, we use different type of character. Python recognize all them according to its character. Think of it like an alphabet. Just English has letters from A to Z. Python also has its own set valid character type of character in Python. According to notes, Python mainly uses 5 category of character: letter, digits, special symbol, white space, other character, Unicode. Letter, letter include letter, letter include A to Z, A to Z. Yeah, yeah, A to Z. These letters are used to create variable name, function name, and other identifiers. Example: name equal to Nitin. City equal to Patna. Print name. Print city. This may run code and output is hello or Nitin Patna. Nitin or Patna. Oh, my mistake is print here. Name and city are made using letter uppercase versus lowercase. Python is case sensitive. That means name and name. One is name start for small and another is name start for capital are different. Both variable are different. Always remember this point. Digit are number from 0 to 9. There are used to store numeric values. Example age equal to 21, marks equal to 95, print age and print marks. Let this code age equal to 21, marks equal to 95, print age, print marks. Age is 20, marks is 95. Remember this, a variable cannot start with a digit. Variable cannot start with a digit. Example is one student equal to Rahul. This is wrong. This is not valid because variable means cannot start with a number. Correct is student one equal to Rahul. This is valid. This is valid. A special symbol. Python support many special symbols. Plus, minus, equal to, divide, double equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, greater than, curly brackets, double comma. This symbol are different means. Example in equal to 20, b equal to 10, print equal to a plus b, print equal to a minus b, print equal to a multiply by b. int equal to a divide by b. Output is, run this code. Output is 13. A plus 20 plus 10, 13. A minus b equal to 10. 20 into 10, 200. A divided by b equal to 2.0. This is float value. White space means empty space. Python recognizes space tab new line. Example is control if row int welcome. This is indentation for a space. The space before print is called indentation. Without proper indentation, Python gives an error. Unique code character. Python can also understand unique code character. That means Python support many languages. Variable. The concept is a variable. Now we are going to learn one of the most important concept in programming. The concept is a variable. If you understand variable properly, learning Python becomes much easier. So let's begin. What is variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location where data is stored. In a simple word, a variable like is a container that stores information. Imagine you have a water bottle. The bottle store water. Similarly, a variable store data such as number, text, or other value. For example, name equal to Nitin, age equal to 21, price equal to 90.99. Here, name store the text Nitin, age store is 21, price store the decimal number 19.99. Why do you need variable? Suppose you want to print the name 10 times without variable. You have a you have to write the same text again and again. Instant name equal to Nitin. Print name, print name, print name. The easier and save time. Understanding assignment. Assignment equal to assignment means equal to. Many beginner things equal to means in a programming means assign. It means a store value 20 inside the variable called is age. How does memory work? When Python run a program is store data in the computer memory RAM. Example city equal to Patna. Patna. Python create a space in memory and store the value Patna there. The variable city point to that memory location. You do not need to remember the memory address. You only use the variable name. This is why variable make programming easy. Printing variable example this is and printer run the code. This is error. This is error. Oh, sorry. Print name, print age, print price, and then run the code. Uh, Name is Nitin, age 21, price is 1995. Python automatically print the store value, changing variable name. Variable can change. Example is score equal to 50. Print score equal to 80. Print score. Run the code. Score 1 is 50 and score 2 is 18. Multiple variable. You can create many variable. Name equal to Rahul, age equal to city, and each variable up to different variable. Variable naming types. Choose meaningful name. Good or bad. This code is variable example. So far we have learned what Python is, how to write your first program, Python character set and variable. Now it's time to learn two very important topic, role and identifier data type. These topics are in almost every Python program. What is identifiers? An identifiers is simply the name you give to a variable, function or any other object in Python. For example, name equal to Nitin, age equal to 20, mass equal to 90. Here, name is an identifier, age is an identifier, and mass is an identifier. Rule for identifiers. Rule 1 was start with a letter to underscore. Correct is name equal to Nitin, age equal to 21. This is right. Rule identifiers. And next is one dot name equal to Nitin. A variable cannot start with a number. This is wrong. Already indicate the VS Code. This is wrong. Digit can come later. Correct is student one Nitin, March 2026 95. This is valid. This is no space. Wrong. Write example. A student name equal to Nitin. This is wrong. Student name equal to Nitin. This is right. This is wrong. Already VS code indicate the code is wrong. Always use to understand instead to a space. No special symbol. Wrong. No a comma, no a thread, no a hashtag. This is wrong. Python is case sensitive language. Not a wrong. Write a code. No, not Python keyword. Python a reserved keyword like this: if, else, while, for, true, false, wrong. If equal to 10. This is wrong. Not used in Python reserved keyword in code. Correct is number equal to 10. Keyword already have a special meaning in Python, so they cannot use a variable name. What is data type? A data type tells Python what kind of value is stored in a variable. Different kind of data require different data types according to the nodes. The main data types are integer, float, string, boolean, non-type. Let's understand them one by one. Integer are whole number. This code is comment out, and next is integer code. Integer. Integer. Age equal to 21. Marks equal to 95. Print age. Print marks. Output is 21 and 95. Integer do not contain a decimal point. The float point. Float number is decimal number. Float means decimal. This is integer. This is float. Price equal to 99. Height equal to 5.9. Print price. Print height. This is float number. A string can text written inside code. Double quote, triple quote, single quote. This is a string. City equal to Patna. Print equal to name. Print equal to city. Run this code is Nitin and Patna. A string can is either single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. Boolean. Boolean value are only true and false. Example. One example is 1 Is a student equal to true? Is married equal to false? Print is true and print is married. Output is true or false. This is Boolean value. Boolean are mainly used and non-constant decision making. Non. Non means no value. Example. Re- Result equal to non. Print result. Output is non. It tells Python that a variable exists but currently has no value. Checking data type. Python provides a data type. Data type means write a code. Nathan age equal to 21. Marks equal to 90. Print type. Type equal to name. Type equal to age and type equal to mass. Run the code and output is class string. Name is string. Class is int. Class is integer. This helps us verify the type of data stored in a variable. Thank you for everyone. My first video lecture is done. Last topic is covered is data types and next class is starting for. Thank you.